the channel. It is happening. The first Walmart delivery vehicles from Canoo have hit the road and they look amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Canoo Inc. And today the stock is down 4.7%, trading at $3.53. Yesterday, the stock closed at $3.71. It opened today a little higher at $3.73. 52-week range for Canoo Inc. is from $1.75 all the way up to $13.35. Today's volume, 2.3 million, compared to an average volume of 13.33 million shares. The market capitalization for Canoo Inc. is $966.3 million US dollars. So that is what we have for Canoo, and the exciting thing is that the first vehicles from Canoo are already on the streets. So that is really amazing. We have just over an hour and 30 minutes to the closing bell, and I will jump off here for you guys to put in your final trades for the day, and I will catch you guys on the next video. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we see more and more of these Canoo vehicles, which are all electric, doing deliveries for Walmart. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to the channel and also smashing that like button. Bye now.